another pandemic looming? What do we know about the new bat virus HKU5-CoV-2? Chinese researchers have identified a new bat coronavirus HKU5-CoV-2, which can potentially transmit from animals to humans. The discovery in this peer-reviewed study has reignited concerns about the possibility of another pandemic similar to COVID-19 globally. However, Indian experts told News 18 that while there is no immediate threat, the new virus requires monitoring. The study published in the medical journal Cell reveals a distinct lineage of HKU5-CoV in bats that efficiently use human ACE2 and underscores their potential zoonotic risk. The study has been done by a team of researchers led by Zhengli Shi, who is a very popular virologist known as Batwoman. She played a key role in tracking the origins of outbreaks like severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS in 2003, Middle East respiratory syndrome or MERS in 2012, and most recently coronavirus. The study said a distinct HKU5 coronavirus lineage is discovered in bats. However, no such case has been reported in humans yet. Study possibly highlights an alarming trend where we might notice that viruses are evolving. According to Indian health experts, until now HKU5-CoV was not believed to be able to easily infect humans because they used a different type of mechanism to enter human cells. However, this newly identified lineage, which is HKU5-CoV-2, has been shown to attach human ACE2 receptors. These receptors are the proteins that act as entry points for the viruses in the cells of the lungs and intestines of humans. This virus can also bind to ACE2 receptors of animals, meaning it could potentially spread between animals and humans. This study serves as a reminder that viruses circulating in wildlife pose pandemic risks. Experts suggest that one way to lower the chances of such outbreaks is to reduce human contact with wild animals, especially bats. Keeping different types of animals in the same cage also enables viruses to jump across species and acquire new genetic changes. While the researchers have not reported human infection with this virus yet, experts point out that the discovery highlights how viruses can evolve and gain new abilities, sometimes through recombination or mixing of genes with other viruses. The SARS-CoV-2 virus, for instance, is believed to be originally a bat virus that jumped across multiple species, eventually gaining abilities to infect and spread efficiently in humans. Coming to the most important part, should we prepare for the next pandemic? In short, no. There is no immediate threat. So far, there are no cases where HKU5-CoV-2 infection has been passed from bats to humans. Also, there are not many mutations in the virus and the transferability risk is also low. The virus is less infectious and less pathogenic as per virologists and experts News 18 spoke to. While we still have limited information on this virus, gauging the available information, there seems to be no cause for immediate concern or threat. Allaying fears of another outbreak, several experts told News 18 that despite the virus' ability to bind to human ACE2, it's nowhere near SARS-CoV-2 levels of efficiency. Hence, there is no immediate cause for concern, but monitoring is always prudent. The study confirms that the virus can bind to human ACE2. However, its binding efficiency is weak compared to the original SARS-CoV-2.